Mas pinakilala ni Christian ang kanyang sarili at ang dahilan sa likod ng patuloy na paglaban sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Ngayong hapon, magsisikap naman si Edward na mas maipakita ang kanyang pusong Pinoy habang nag-aaral ng wikang Filipino kasama si Maymay. Paano kaya sa susuportahan ni Maymay? Ito na kaya ang magiging daan upang makasabay siya sa mga kasama.
We just like you.
Maganda.
Maganda.
Pangit.
Pangit. As an example, I say, my is pangit. I understood. Why not my
Yan ang ating susundan dito sa PBB Lucky Season 7, mga kwento ng King Housemates. Kasisimula lang ng araw nang kausapin ni Kuya si Maymay sa confession room.
Good morning po, Kuya.
Hi, Maymay.
Why are you English?
It's a great day today, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so. Hala, I'm very sorry.
You decapitated my mic.
Capitated? Oh my God, it's a new one. I'm very sorry. It's an accident. It's not an incident. I'm very sorry. Why did you? Can I take your brain so that I can communicate to anyone that can speak in English, especially Edward, because sometimes I was not able to talk about my life and all the things I know because I can't speak that well in English.
We are conversing now in English, aren't we?
But it's very difficult.
So you can do the same with Edward.
No, I know what you okay, no.
What are you thinking?
No, I'm not thinking. I'm just overthinking.
My mind. Starting now.
No, Kuya.
Can you listen? From now on, you will have a one-on-one session or talk with Edward.
Oh no. Bakit ganun?
Are you mad?
No, I'm
Don't you like talking to Edward?
it's very okay. It's okay, but it's really hard.
What's wrong with you?
Because I can... Oh my God, Kuya! Why? No. You tell Kuya what's going on in his mind.
Kuya, I don't understand what's
Okay.
happening.
Mai and I were talking. She said she's having a hard time talking to you.
Because of English nga.
Okay.
So, Mai, you can do it.
Okay, Edward, from now on, Kuya wanted us, oh my gosh, to talk, in English. I want to know about your life.
Edward,
Yes, Kuya.
dapat matuto ka rin sa kanya ng Tagalog.
Relax.
Paglabas ng confession room, agad sinimulan ni Maymay at Edward ang pagtuturo ng Tagalog at Ingles sa isa't isa.
Okay, I say it in English and you tell me how to say it in Tagalog. My father is a businessman.
Yung papa mo ay negosyante.
They met through a friend.
Nagkakilala sila sa pamamagitan.
What does it mean?
Through.
A long word just for through?
Yeah.
It.
Sapa,
Sapa,
mama,
mama.
gitan.
Sapa, mama, gita.
Like, pa, mama, gitan.
Si Edward, tinuruan din ng konting Ingles si Maymay.
I ask you a question. Is my your full name?
No, my full name is Mary Dale
Mary Dale,
Entrata. How about yours? What is your full name?
Edward, John, Barber.
Barber?
Yeah, like snip hair.
That's my my lolo has a barber.
Do you know why your name is Mary
Oh,
Dale?
yeah. The one that gave my name is my father. It's my because my birth month is May.
Talk about where you're from, not the country, not but like everything.
Oh my God, patay na.
Every time you say Tagalog word.
Hello, nagpatay na! Let's try yan.
Okay.
I will do my very best to do my promised land. Okay. I was born in the Manila. Here in Manila. My mother is labor.
Was in labor.
I was in labor. You know what? My head is in
Your
the
head was already
outside.
out?
Yeah,
Oh my-
in the
oh
taxi.
my God.
And then when my head is outside, the hospital is there na. And then they took my mama and like that. And then I was until the next, like that.
Caught you.
Yes, there is a pail there. If I do there and my head is na-cracking, I'm dying.
If you repeat, okay? If the
The
nurse
nurse-
hadn't caught me,
I can speak now English well and we can speak now Tagalog. The side of my father, the
family.
family of my father doesn't like my mother because we're poor and they are rich. This is my mother said.
This is what my mother.
This is what my mother said.
And she's also a good learner. When I teach her English, she learns it fairly quickly, and she really wants to improve.
The family of my father said to my mother, I will give you money just to let go my son.
Oh.
Like that. It's like a teleseries. And my mother, even though it's a piso, I will give it to your mom because money is just nothing. Like that.
Pagsapit ng hapon ng housemates nagkwentuhan sa dining room at si Edward tila hirap makasabay.
Hindi ka pa nag-gitara? Oo. Mas ano rin kaya, nakakadagdag ng appeal yung lalaking marunong mag-gitara.
Like you see people talking and then you don't understand.
I don't understand like 75-80%, but I can't improve it in here quick enough to understand every day.
I know that it's hard, I know that it's weird, but we have to, right? You have to.
It's harder than any challenge.
We will help you. Let's go.
I hate it.
Come on. Don't thinking about it.
Bilang may dugong Pinoy, gaano ba kahalaga para sa'yo ang matuto na makapagsalita ka ng Pilipino?
It's important now, especially because I could be here for a long time if I do well. I don't want to make them speak English all the time because they're more comfortable in Tagalog, all of them. They shouldn't really have to change for me. I should really change for them more.
Importante po talaga na matuto na siya ng Tagalog as soon as possible kasi para maintindihan niya po kami lagi, para makasabay po siya sa mga pinag-uusapan namin, para hindi po siya mga left out.
Ang housemates tila napansin ang pagiging malungkot ni Edward kaya naman pinag-usapan nila kung paano ito matutulungan.
Yeah, when I came in here, I knew zero. First day, when you talk to Aizen, zero. I didn't understand anything.
Filipino rin naman po siya. So tama rin na matutunan niya yung Filipino. You know the words, diba?
I don't know a lot of verbs. I don't know.
You have to speak more Filipino.
Others are certainly helping me. I feel happy that they're supportive.
Si Maymay tinuloy na ang pagtuturo ng Tagalog kay Edward.
Matatagalog ako. Magtuturo ako sa iyo.
Slow, Maymay, slow.
Magtuturo ako sa iyo. I will teach you. Ano yung gusto mong ituro ko sa iyo? What would you like me to teach you about?
I need to teach you English first. Like
Yeah.
conversations
Okay, then?
that would happen inside the house so I can understand.
Hindi pala kayo nagalit. Dito ako uupo. I will sit here. I will clean the table. Linisin ko ang lamesa. No? Sulat. Sulat is writing.
Magsulat, nagsusulat, nagsusulat.
Sulat also means letter.
Maya-maya, isang bagong hamon ang binigay ni Kuya kay Edward.
Let's make it more interesting.
Alright.
Ngayong araw ay bibigyan kita ng isang hamon. Bibigyan mo ako, Edward, ng 20 adjectives at gagamitin mo ito bawat isa sa isang salita.
Paglabas ng confession room, agad na nagpatulong si Edward kay Maymay.
I can do this. I can remember. We just right here.
Maganda.
Maganda.
Pangit.
Pangit. I will use names, okay? No offense, but as an example, I say, Maymay is pangit.
Si Maymay ay pangit.
Si Maymay ay pangit.
Bakit hindi ito?
I understood. Why not maganda?
Okay, go.
Maymay, I am very, very nervous. I need to remember this too.
Pero habang nag-aaral si Maymay, biglang nagpasabog.
Running out of time. I'm sorry.
Describing words.
Maymay!
Sometimes we make jokes, but she's a really good teacher. She makes sure I understand.
Ay, strong. Strong. Weak.
Slow is weakest. Oh, ang patay na.
Si Maymay di naman napigilan ang sarili.
May!
Stop.
Hurry! I don't care! I need to finish. We don't have time. If I don't learn this, then patay.
Matapos magpatulong kay Maymay, si Edward bumalik kay Kuya para iparinig ang kanyang bagong natutunan.
What are the words that you came up with?
Maganda, beautiful. Pangit, ugly. Mataba, fat. Mapayat, thin. Mabilis, fast. Mahina, slow. Malambot, soft. Magaspang, rough. Malaki is big. Maliit, small. Bilog, round. Malakas, strong. Baliw, crazy. Mabango, smells good. Mabaho, it smells bad. Pangkaraniwan is unique. Matulis, sharp. Silaw, bright. Madilim, dark. And makulay, colorful.
I'm happy that you've come up with words. However,
What?
I can see that it's not perfect.
Oh, okay. Okay, maganda. It's okay. It's beautiful.
Pangit,
It's
taba,
okay.
mapayat, mabilis, mahina.
Mahasa pa kaya ni Edward ang kanyang kaalaman sa Tagalog? Paano kaya sa babawi mula sa pagkabigo?